Hi folks, welcome to RC Bengineering. This is a run video, I promise, but I want to show you what I'm running today and why. This video is to celebrate my 1 year anniversary on YouTube coming up in a few days, and I've picked out two cars that I think represent what I do on my channel. This is a 8-wheel drive, 8-wheel steer vehicle that used to be a push toy, and I converted it using WPL parts. And it is also the first vehicle that I ever recorded for my channel. The second vehicle featured in today's video is this Jeep Wrangler. It is a toy grade to hobby grade conversion. I think that's also a good representation of what I like to do and what I feature on my channel. So I thought I would put this vehicle in the video also. I'd like to thank everyone who over the last year has watched one of my videos or subscribed or commented, and feel free to do so today also if you think it's appropriate.